KUSINATA is a gorgeous restaurant in the mountains of Don Salvador Benedicto in Negros Occidental, located along the Don Salvador Main Highway, and this roadside restaurant offers fantastic views along with seafood. KUSINATA is not just a restaurant, it also provides livelihood to the local Aita community or indigenous people of Don Salvador Benedicto. KUSINATA has a viewing deck that offers a fantastic view of the Matanog waterfalls and the mountain rainforest. The forest at KUSINATA is delicious and yummy, especially spare ribs, crispy kare-kare, and the KBL.